In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit templates in Asana. First, open Asana and go to your workspace. Click on All Work from the sidebar. Now find the Templates section. Browse and select the template you want to edit. Hover over the template and click the three dots. Click Edit Template. This will open the template in edit mode. Now you can customize it. Add or edit tasks based on your workflow. Create sections to organize tasks like to do, in progress, or done. Update task details, descriptions, or assignments. You can also add a project description for better clarity. Adjust settings if needed. Once you're done, click Finish. Your updated template is now ready to use. That is how you edit templates in Asana.